Hi, I'm Mason. Today I'm gonna make a milk rainbow. This experiment is pretty quick and pretty easy, and it's not even too messy. All you need is a plate, milk, dish soap, and food coloring. This experiment works better with whole milk. Next, add some food coloring. Then we'll add some dish soap. I like to use a cotton swab. Milk is made mostly with water, but it also has fats, proteins, and other things. Adding the dish soap causes a chemical reaction. The soap molecules move to connect with the fat molecules. That's why we used whole milk. It has more fat. The food coloring is moved around during this reaction, and that makes a cool rainbow. We gotta do it some more. Please subscribe for more videos. And today we're gonna make a milk rainbow. I said rainbow. Make a milk rainbow. Because I said rainbow.